So now let's talk about chelation and sequestration. When conditions are correct, minerals come out of solution and cause what we call plating. This condition comes about when our water violates what is called the saturation index, also referred to as the Langler index. Variables include calcium loading, stabilizer, TDS or total dissolved solids, water temperature, alkalinity, and pH determine whether water is corrosive or scale forming. Most stain control products attempt to cluster minerals and make them larger for ultimate filtration. This is part of the reason they must replenish themselves more often than SC1000. We, on the other hand, do not attempt to remove the minerals. We protect it from chlorine oxidation. Our products work by interfering with the oxidation reaction of minerals, which result in stain reduction. Saltwater pools are especially sensitive to this condition due to the propensity of salt water to have a higher pH. All pools, no matter the form of sanitation, can react and cause staining. Calcium is the most difficult mineral to control the oxidation reaction with. There are several products on the market that control metals without phosphates in them, but calcium is a much more difficult matter. Most of the products in the industry that control calcium contain phosphates, and that is where SC1000 is so unique. Our claim of being non-toxic and non-hazardous puts us in even more select company. We simply stand alone without competition. SC1000 controls 7,000 parts calcium in the water without the use of phosphorus or acid-based chemicals. We have a patent pending on this technology. Additionally, we can keep a salt cell clean, and yes, I know that's a bold claim. If the pH stays above 8.0, some slight forming can take place, but dropping the pH back down to 7.6 will allow the scale to dissolve again. pH alone cannot accomplish this, but used in conjunction with SC1000, we can. We also control calcium with a non-toxic and non-hazardous chemical that is eco-friendly. Simply stated, SC1000 controls the formation of metal and calcium carbonate stains without the use of phosphates. It will keep a salt cell clear of calcium accumulations and accomplish this with non-toxic and environmentally friendly chemicals as long as the pH is maintained below 8.0. We guarantee this to be true when you follow the dosing instructions. Be aware that in many cases, the first quart per 10,000 gallons can have an impact on the free chlorine level, and adjustments should be made accordingly. It is important that this product be fully mixed at the startup dose before introducing any sanitizer if possible. We want to prevent the oxidation reaction as soon as we can from the point of fill if at all possible. The dosing instructions for SC1000 are 1 quart per 10,000 gallons and a maintenance dose of 6 ounces per 10,000 gallons every other week moving forward.